In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use AI on Squarespace. To get started, open your browser and log into your Squarespace account. Once you are inside your account dashboard, look for the area where you can create a new website or choose a design. Your exact screen may look a little different depending on your account, but the goal is to get to the templates page. This is where Squarespace normally lets you browse through different website designs and pick one manually. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the right place. You should be seeing template options, categories, or a starting point for building a new site. This page is important because it is where you decide whether you want to build from a preset template or let Squarespace help create a starting design for you using AI. Instead of choosing a regular manual template, look for the option called Build with AI. Select that option to begin the AI website creation process. This tells Squarespace that you do not want to start by browsing and comparing templates one by one. Instead, you want the platform to guide you through a setup flow and create a first draft based on your answers. This is the main difference between using a traditional template and using AI on Squarespace. With a manual template, you choose the design first and then adjust it to match your business. With Build with AI, you provide details first, and Squarespace uses those details to suggest a structure, style, and content direction for your site. After selecting Build with AI, Squarespace will ask you a series of guided questions. These questions are designed to understand what kind of website you are building. You may be asked about your business type, your goals, and the general personality of your brand. Answer each question as clearly as you can. For example, when you are asked about your business type, choose the option that best matches what you do. If you are creating a site for a service, a portfolio, a store, or a local business, pick the closest available match. This helps the AI understand what types of sections and content your website may need. Next, pay attention to the questions about your goals. Your goals help Squarespace understand the purpose of the website. You may want to promote a business, present your work, share information, attract clients, or sell products. Choosing the right goal helps the AI create a draft that supports what you want visitors to do when they land on your site. You will also be asked about your brand personality. This part helps shape the tone and visual direction of the website. For example, a professional and polished brand may need a different style than a playful or creative brand. Choose the answers that best match how you want your website to feel to visitors. Once you finish the guided questions, Squarespace will use your responses to generate a draft website. This draft may include suggested sections, an overall layout, and sample copy based on the information you provided. The AI is not meant to create a perfect final website instantly. It is meant to give you a strong starting point so you do not have to begin from a blank page. When the draft appears, take a few minutes to review what the AI created. Look at the structure of the pages, the order of the sections, and the text that has been suggested. You may see areas for an introduction, services, products, testimonials, contact information, or other content that fits the type of website you are building. Now you can customize the result using the standard Squarespace drag-and-drop editor. This is where you make the AI-generated draft feel more like your own website. You can swap out images, adjust colors, change fonts if needed, and refine the layouts so they better match your brand and content. As you edit, focus on replacing any placeholder content with information that fits your business. If the AI suggested copy, read through it carefully and adjust the wording so it sounds accurate and natural for your brand. You can also move sections around, resize elements, or change layouts using the same editing tools Squarespace normally provides. You can also update the visual style by changing images and colors. If the AI selected images that do not fit your brand, replace them with better choices. If the colors feel too bold, too plain, or not aligned with your brand personality, adjust them in the editor until the website feels consistent. The key is to treat the AI draft as a helpful foundation. Squarespace gives you the structure, layout, and suggested content, and then you use the editor to refine it. This makes the process faster while still giving you control over the final look and feel of the site. That covers everything you need to know.